You wake up, pour that first cup of coffee, and hope it gives you a little spark to start the day. But lately, it doesn't hit like it used to, does it? Your hands feel cold, your legs heavy, and by the time noon arrives, your energy has already slipped away. You're not alone. After 60, that same morning, coffee that once woke you up now quietly drains your circulation instead of fueling it. Here's the good news. You don't need to give up coffee. You just need to upgrade it. Tomorrow morning, before you take that first sip, try this. Stir in 1 teaspoon of natural cocoa powder and half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon. This simple combination has been shown in clinical studies to boost nitric oxide for better blood flow and stabilize blood sugar, giving you steadier energy and warmer hands, often within days. That's your first real reward. Now, let's add a layer of science. Cocoa flavonols, 200 milligrams a day, are proven to relax your blood vessels and improve oxygen delivery. Ceylon cinnamon, unlike the common cassia type, helps balance insulin response while protecting your liver. Together, they transform plain coffee into a circulation-boosting tonic without a single pill. But coffee can do even more when you stack it for your goal. For circulation, cocoa plus cinnamon. For muscle strength, whey plus collagen peptides. For steady energy, turmeric plus black pepper plus MCT oil. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build each stack safely, the science behind every ingredient, and how to feel your body power back on. Naturally, most men tell me, Dr. Hart, I drink coffee every morning, strong coffee. Yet I still feel tired. And that's the problem. After 60, your body doesn't process caffeine the way it once did. When you were younger, a single cup could light up every cell. Now, your mitochondria, the little power plants in your cells, have fewer sparks to catch. Caffeine still gives you the jolt, but without proper nutrients, the flame burns out fast. That's why your energy peaks, then crashes. It's not the coffee that's weak. It's the circuit inside your body that's running on an empty battery. Here's the science. As we age, blood flow to our muscles and brain declines by as much as 10 to 15% each decade. Less circulation means less oxygen, fewer nutrients, and caffeine can't fix that. In fact, plain black coffee can even dehydrate you, thickening your blood just enough to make your heart work harder for less payoff. Your body doesn't need more stimulation, it needs better delivery. That's why pairing coffee with the right natural compounds, like cocoa flavonols for nitric oxide, or MCT oil for stable fuel, changes everything. They don't replace caffeine, they guide it, like new wires guiding an old current. And when that current starts flowing again, you don't just wake up faster, you stay alive longer. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to rewire that morning cup, so every sip restores energy instead of draining it. Think of your morning coffee like a car engine. Caffeine is the ignition. It starts the motor. But what happens if there's no oil, no fuel line, and the spark plugs are dirty? You might start the engine, but you won't go very far. That's exactly what happens inside the body after 60. Your ignition still works, but the wiring, your blood vessels, mitochondria, and hormones no longer deliver energy efficiently. And this is where the smart coffee stack comes in. With just a few natural additions, your morning cup stops being a stimulant and starts becoming a restoration ritual. Let's begin with circulation. Cocoa flavonols, about 200 milligrams per day, trigger nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels and improving oxygen flow to your heart, muscles, and even your brain. It's clinically proven, not hype, and that's why 1 teaspoon of non-alkalized cocoa powder can make your coffee a true vascular tonic. Next, for muscle strength, combine that same cup with collagen peptides and whey isolate. Collagen provides glycine and proline, the building blocks your body stops making enough of after 60. Whey delivers leucine, the amino acid that turns on muscle growth. Even when your metabolism slows, together, they rebuild what age tries to take away. Finally, for focus and steady energy, add MCT oil or a dash of olive oil. These healthy fats convert into ketones, a cleaner, longer-lasting energy source for both your muscles and your mind. No spikes, no crashes, just clarity. This isn't about drinking more coffee. It's about making every cup count. And in the next section, I'll show you how to layer these stacks based on your goal, whether it's circulation, strength, or sharper focus, all before you finish your first cup. Now, let's build your smart coffee stack. 3 versions, one for each goal. You don't need all of them at once. Just choose the one your body needs most this week. 1. The circulation stack. For warmer hands, stronger blood flow, start with your regular black coffee. Add 1 teaspoon of natural, non-alkalized cocoa powder. That's where the flavonols come from, proven to support nitric oxide and artery flexibility. Then stir in 1½ teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, the kind gentle on your liver, not the harsh cassia version. Drink this first thing in the morning, before breakfast, and you'll notice improved warmth in your hands and feet within days. This is how you turn coffee from a quick jolt into a morning circulation therapy. 2. The strength stack. For muscle maintenance and recovery. Once your coffee cools a bit, blend in 1 scoop, about 25 shingen, of whey isolate, rich in leucine, the amino acid that reignites muscle growth. Then add 10 grams of collagen peptides, the glue that rebuilds your joints and connective tissue. This combination works best within 30 minutes of light exercise. Even a morning walk counts. After 60, muscle loss isn't fate. It's a fuel problem you can fix. 3. The focus stack. For steady energy and mental clarity. Add 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or extra virgin olive oil, plus a pinch of turmeric and black pepper. The oil helps your body absorb curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory, and provides ketones for sustained mental energy. Within minutes, you'll feel calmer, clearer, and ready to take on the day. The sharper your mind stays, the stronger your body follows. In the next section, I'll reveal how to rotate these stacks through the week so you don't overload your system, and how to track real progress in just 14 days. Now that you've learned the stacks, it's time to put them to the test. I call it the 14-day coffee reboot challenge, a simple routine designed to help your body relearn how to produce energy, circulate blood, and build strength naturally. Here's how it works. Every morning for the next 2 weeks, choose 1 stack, circulation, strength, or focus, and stick with it for at least 5 days before switching. Keep it simple. 1 cup, same time, same ingredients. Consistency is what retrains your system, because after 60, your body doesn't need more caffeine. It needs rhythm to see results. Track 3 simple things. Warmth test. Are your hands and feet less cold in the mornings? Energy test. Do you still feel steady by noon, or are you crashing early? Mobility test. Try the 30-second chair stand. How many times can you sit and stand without using your hands? Write down your numbers on day 1 and day 14. You'll be surprised. These small markers reveal what blood tests can't. Whether your cells are actually receiving the energy you drink each morning, and if you start noticing easier mornings, lighter steps, or sharper focus, that's your signal the circuit is turning back on. By day 14, most men tell me they don't just feel awake, they feel alive again. In the next part, I'll show you how to maintain those gains long term, and the one mistake that silently shuts down circulation again, if you're not careful. Here's the truth most men never hear after 60. Good circulation isn't built in a day, it's trained. Just like a muscle. Every morning cup, every breath, every step you take, either strengthens or stiffens your arteries. Caffeine alone gives you speed, but nutrients, movement, and rhythm, that's what gives you endurance. The secret isn't another supplement. It's giving your blood vessels something to practice every day. When you add cocoa, cinnamon, or a bit of MCT oil, you're not just drinking, you're teaching your body to stay responsive. Nitric oxide signals the vessels to open. Protein rebuilds what time has worn down. Healthy fats keep your cell membranes flexible, like well-oiled gears in a vintage machine. And that's the key, flexibility. Flexible arteries mean better oxygen to your heart, your brain. And yes, to every part of your body that depends on good blood flow. It's the quiet foundation beneath your energy, your focus, and even your confidence. So don't chase short bursts, build daily consistency. A 10-minute walk after coffee, a full glass of water mid-morning, and the same simple coffee stack every single day. Because when your circulation stays young, the rest of you follows. In the final part, I'll show you how to keep this habit alive for good, and one small morning tweak that can add years of strength and vitality to your life. So here's my challenge to you. Tomorrow morning, before that first sip of coffee, take 60 seconds to upgrade it. Just 1 teaspoon of cocoa, a pinch of cinnamon, or a dash of MCT oil. Tiny actions, but they send powerful messages to your body. Wake up, circulate, rebuild. Do it every day for 2 weeks, then come back here and tell me what changed. Did your hands feel warmer? Did your focus last longer? Or did your energy finally stay steady till noon? I read every comment, because every story helps another man begin his own recovery. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with a friend over 60 who still believes his morning coffee can't heal him. And make sure you subscribe, because next week, I'll reveal the one morning habit that quietly shrinks arteries and how to reverse it naturally. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before changing your diet or supplements, especially if you take medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or circulation. Individual results may vary. Consistency and healthy lifestyle choices are key to long-term benefits.